Okay guys, we took the other way going there, and this way is more grape wines here. Ito, I'll show you. Look, both sides are
through there that way.
yeah. Oh yeah, and this one, oh, ang lawak-lawak ng grape wines dito, guys. You know, ang dami. And the other side is also big grape wines yan dito. So, inikot niya tayo dito para makita natin. Kasi hindi namin dinadaanan dati to. And makita ninyo yung hills. Ayan. May mga part na dry na yung mga grass. Pero yung iba, yung mga green, mga trees yan. Kasi summer na nga. Kaya natutuyo na sila. So, ang ganda dito. Ang dami-dami. Ang daming mga tanim. So, doon sa dinadaanan namin, yung dating dinadaanan namin, may mga grapes din doon, pero hindi ganun kalaki. Dito talaga, ito talaga yung area na puro grapes. Dami.
There's a town just down there.
Oh, yeah. Here. Ayan oh, guys. Oh, look at the grapes. Yan, lahat yan nakikita nyo green na yan. Those are all grapes. Grape wines. Yun yung ginagawang wine. Yan. Kasi yung grapes, kasi akala ko before, ay, what's that?
Fucking hell, what was that?
What's that?
I don't know, something came off.
Yeah. Can we stop for a while? Yeah, something came up. Oh. Oh, yeah. Stop muna kami, guys. Kasi,
There's my fucking front, get my guard.
parang may gumalaw sa likod. Okay. Ayan, ito pala guys. Ito pala yung kumakalampag na tanggal kasi ito. Na ano kasi yan parang meron siyang na yeah, that looks ugly. Tinanggal na niya. Kasi ito pala naman niya talaga. And this one, no, I mean push back. Push back. Okay. Oh, kala ko naman merong sira dun sa aming sasakyan. Anyway, ayun na niyang ayusin niya kasi bibili na siya ng bago. Okay. That is quiet. I thought something wrong at the back. Hindi pala. Dito pala sa unahan. Okay, yan. Dati ko yan sinabi sa kanya kasi nakita ko yan. Siguro yan merong sa parking sa parking yon. Kaya someone, I think, hit the car. Hindi niya alam. Tapos nakita na lang namin kawang na. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, pagawa. Ayaw na daw. Huwag na. Hindi na niya papagawa kasi ano na nga siya, bibili na nga siya ng bago. But I think if you're going to sell this car, you need to fix that.
Fuck,
The buyer will say, this is...
No, whoever you sell it to will fix it. They fix it cheaper than I can.
Yeah. Brian can fix that also.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
They'll charge me then.
Yeah. That's a problem in the parking. If you did not see, no one will... You can't blame anyone. Who did it? So guys, itong area na to, ayun na, it's very dangerous if you drive at night. Kasi pag gabi, yung mga kangaroos, lumalabas sila. They come out. And nagko-cross sila dito sa road. Punta dun sa kabila. Ganon. Basta gabi sila lumalabas. During the day, they are sleeping. Pag gabi sila gising. Kaya, okay guys, nandito tayo sa shop nila. May shop din sila dito na maliit. Ito yung Mostly, mga made of strawberries yan yung mga ano nila dito. Mga products. And yan, may meron silang mga strawberries din dito. Meron blackberries, blueberries, yeah, strawberries. Ang dami! Okay. So, pupunta tayo dun sa labas. Pipitas tayo ng strawberries. Ay, sarap. Ito mga jam. Jam. Yeah. Here, do the beautiful.
So you can go and start in one of the middle rows. Go down the end and start coming up a middle row.
Oh, yeah.
Don't come on the end. Everybody's been on this edge here, so go out in the middle of it. Go down the end and then come down a row.
Oh, okay.
You're not allowed to go across rows.
Yeah, just one line.
Yeah, so go down there and come down one of the middle ones.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys.
Is this on?
Start na tayo mag-pick ng magpitas ng strawberries. Ano dito na? Ito matagal ko na gusto makita sa inyo. So, mag-start tayo doon sa dulo. Pupunta dito. Hey!
Is that enough? Enough video? Is that enough video? No? Square one now. Alrighto. Plenty of strawberries.
Mm.
Mm.
Okay. Ayan guys. Ito ang daming mga baka guys, oh. Okay, dito tayo, stop muna tayo. Yan, cows. You will see, ang dami all cows here. Kasi ito, country kasi ito, dito yun.
They're milkers. They're milk cows.
Milk cows. Ayan, dito sila kumukuha ng mga milk. Kaya dito ang milk dito fresh. Laging fresh, all fresh milk. Ayun, oh sorry. Yan, oh, kita nyo yan, oh. Lahat yan, cows. Ang dami. Yan. Okay. Let's go. O, diba? Guys, you've seen a lot today. And it's good. And I had fun picking up those strawberries. And so yummy. Now we're heading to Holiday House now. Okay guys, ito na yung nakuha namin. Isang box. Itong 10 puno na to nalalagyan. $15 lang siya. Ganun siya kamura. At fresh na fresh from the vines, diba? And kumain din ako kanina, ang tamis. So ito, tayo ng isa. Kain tayo. Sa rough road kasi iba nga yung dinaanan namin, medyo rough yung daan. Kainin natin itong isa. Sarap guys, so beautiful. Sarap. Ang sarap. On.
Oh, wait, you can back up.
Yeah, okay. Ang tamis, it's so sweet.
Get some ice cream.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good for ice cream. May tunog ba? Sarap. Ayan, buti may dala akong tissue paper dito. Ang dami ko nang kinain na. I just had salad. And then ito naman. Oh. Ang tamis. Yeah. Enjoy guys. Naku, wish you were here. Mga viewers ko. Kasi ang sarap talaga. So ito lang, ma-share ko lang sa inyo sa video, pero hindi ko kayo mabigyan. Anyway, who knows one day makapunta rin kayo dito sa Australia, diba? Diba? Makita ninyo dito maraming strawberries dito. And meron din naman tayo dyan in Philippines, kaya lang doon sa north, sa Baguio, diba? Doon lang meron, kaya malayo. Hindi naman lahat malapit doon. Pero dito, ang dami dito, pangkaraniwan lang talaga dito guys. So, nag-enjoy talaga ako sobra. Ang sarap ang medyo mainit nga lang, pero okay lang. Kasi hindi ko naramdaman yung init dahil nag-enjoy talaga ako sa pagpipitas. Yan, sarap. Awa nga. Hindi kaya nga hugasan, malinis naman. Yan. Horses. Yeah.
Black cows.
Yeah.
Red cows.
Yeah. So this is the country. Itong lugar na dinadaanan natin. Dito nandito nakatira yung mga farmers dito sa area na to. Dito nag-aalaga sila ng they raise cows, horses, many different animals, chickens as well. But there's chicken here. Chickens, ducks,
Llamas.
turkeys, llamas, yeah. Yun. meron dito, in a country, if you drive here in a country, it's mostly rough road. Horses. You know guys, horses. Ang dami dito. Kaya dito, yun, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung milk. Fresh lagi yung milk dito. At napakamura ng milk.
Milk is very cheap here.
Yeah, and very cheap.
Fresh milk.
Fresh and cheap milk dito. And that's why many different countries they are supplying milk kasi ang ibang country they don't have milk, especially in China. They are importing milk from Australia yun, and even Philippines. I know in Philippines. And kasi yung para i-feed natin sa mga babies natin kasi we are not having too much milk and we're not making too much milk like they do here. Kaya ang dami-dami talaga, sobra. This country is, I found out this country is really rich. It's very rich country. Everything is fresh. All the fruits you need, all the food, milk, even meat. Ang mga meat zone, fresh milk, fresh meat ang mabibili ninyo in the market. Diba? So, kaya this is why most people here they live longer because of the food, and even the children they are very active because of the food. Not unless those people they eating crap foods. There are crap foods as well here, like those you know I mentioned before. I don't want to mention those companies, but they are making crap food.
Fast food.
Yeah. Yeah. So, meron din ditong, ayun, raspberries. I did not see raspberries. So, iba-iba. Hindi sila halo-halo. We got, meron ditong raspberries. Meron ditong blueberries. So, someday, titingnan natin. Pupunta tayo doon. And I will show you also those berries. Kung saan yung farm na malapit na pwede namin puntahan. So, maybe in there are farms close to Glenelg. We can go there one day.
No, they're all in the hills.
On the hills, yeah.
Nothing close to Glenelg.
Yeah, sometime we can drive there to show them the trees and blackberries, blueberries, watermelons, melons. Ang dami guys, so many fruits. Kaya halos dito, you know, almost every day nagagawa ako ng fruit juice kasi it is very good for our body and it helps to detox our body pag yung mga berries ang ating laging drink sa umaga. Tapos I read about it. It helps to, you know, it has what do you call the antioxidant. Yun, meron siya. Mataas ang antioxidant ng mga berries. Yun, di ba? So, sa gabi, during the day, our body detoxifies our body. Yun, pag gabi. Pero syempre, it helps a lot pag kumakain ka ng mga fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and good food. Yun, di ba? Para healthy, long life, di ba? And enjoy life. Huh? And I'm not sure if they are using pesticides here. They don't. Okay, usually in Philippines they do. They use the pesticides so that to keep away from these pests. So yun, yun nga lang, medyo maingay kasi rough road tayo. Kasi dito rough road talaga. Yeah, but hindi naman, it's not bad. Wala tayong makita. We cannot see kangaroos this time. So, they are all sleeping during the day. So, yan. Ay, medyo ganda na yung road. Yeah, guys. So, malapit na kami. And, ang sarap talaga. Yan. Thank you so much to Daddy Barry for taking us to the strawberry farm. At malapit na kami doon sa Kari Kalinga. Which way we're going to take? This way? That way?
My pong's it.
Wilonga, no, my ponga there. Ayan, hindi namin alam masyadong daan. Pero ito, ay mahanap din namin na yun. Yeah, that way. I remember. Yun. Ayan, ito na guys. Nakita na namin yung daan namin papunta, pauwi doon. Kasi ito yung dating nadaanan din namin. Pagka hindi ka lagi doon dumadaan, nakakaligaw eh. So, it's really a long video already. So, I wanna say bye-bye everyone. And thank you so much for watching my video. And I hope to see you again next vlog. And of course, Happy New Year everyone! And enjoy your new year. So keep safe and bye bye. I love you all. Bye, Daddy. Bye.